In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create educational videos quickly. So the first method would be similar to the last video, that is creating vlog quickly. Only thing you have to do is you have to get a mobile tripod and just place it somewhere, create a good background behind, and just speak to the camera and just cut and select part of the video, and that would be fine. You can see my other videos on College and Musk, Learn by College and Musk. Let's say, for example, you can watch the motivational speaking video. I've shot it on a Samsung Galaxy S8, by the way, and I have used a mobile tripod, and you can see how beautiful the quality is. It's all because technology has advanced by leaps and bounds. And the next thing, like, you want to teach like this, you want to screen record your laptop or computer or PC. So what you have to do is, for Mac and for Windows, for Mac you can use QuickTime Player recording option. I'll show you how that is done. And Windows, you have to use iSpring Pro. Just Google search iSpring Pro, just download that file. You can just manually follow the entire process. It's pretty simple, by the way. And for Mac, I'm just gonna show you how it's done. Go to QuickTime Player, open QuickTime Player, and as of now a recording is going on. If this would have not have gone on, then you could have gone to new screen recording, press this, and just press a recording button that comes, and the whole screen starts to get recorded. So this is as simple. You can open a pages file, or you can open a notepad file on Windows, and you can just start to teach whatever you want. So this is how to create educational videos. And once you have the video file, you can always take it to Adobe Premiere Pro. You can edit it, cut parts of it somewhere if you have stammered or have gone wrong. So this is how you create educational videos very smartly. And the thing is, this is more effective as it's like a one-on-one communication. I'm writing it, I'm selecting parts of it to teach. So this is very effective and very helpful in the long run.